Example 2. A line intersecting the circle x square plus y square equals 45. At the points P, -6, -3, and Q, 3, 6, has an equation y equals x plus 3. Chord PQ measures 9 root 2 units. Determine the coordinates of the midpoint R of the chord PQ. Show that OR is perpendicular to PQ, where O is the origin. Solution. The midpoint of the line segment PQ can be determined using the midpoint formula equals x1 plus x2 over 2, y1 plus y2 over 2. Substituting values, we get, therefore midpoint R of the chord PQ is -1,5, 1,5. We know that the product of the gradients of the two perpendicular lines will be -1 gradient of OR equals -1. Gradient of PQ equals 1. MOR times MPQ equals -1 times 1 equals -1. Therefore, OR must be perpendicular to PQ.
Need more help? Subscribe to our channel. Can't wait that long? Ask Masky to help you and let the math finally start mathing.